How to change Weverse currency. Hello there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to change your Weverse currency, you need to first install the latest version of Weverse application on your mobile device, launch it, and also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the homepage of Weverse, tap on the More icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on Order History, that is between My Collection and Event Entries. This will take you to another page of My Orders. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on Currency that you will find below the Weverse Shop cast. Once it's selected, it will give you 5 different options of currency, either South Korean won, US dollar, Japanese yen, Chinese yuan, or Mexican peso. You can only choose the currency from this list. Now, if you want to change from USD to Chinese yuan, go ahead and select it. And after a few seconds, your currency will be changed accordingly. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and change the Weverse currency on your application. So if you found it guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.